Harley Davidson is a company that concentrates on producing exclusive custom bike parts and biker accessories. 3 years ago, the company became official, and that's when we started to grow and to expand. We've been to Abu Dhabi, to Germany, to Netherlands, and also to Japan lately. Right now, we are on the custom bike show in Salzuflen in Germany, probably the largest custom bike event in the whole Europe. Our items are 100% handcrafted. We are using a variety of old school techniques and we combine them with modern technologies. If you have any questions, just visit us on Facebook, visit our website. We will find solutions for your project.